nothing to do with the shape of the Earth. That's why I really love it when these globe Earth trolls try to confuse the conversation by bringing up heavenly bodies, right? We don't need to look at heavenly bodies to prove that the Earth doesn't have curvature, nor is it spinning. Look at the picture that it was from July 2016. I've shared it a couple times. It was in that last video. It's from 273 miles away, and there's no curvature. And so, to say that we need to start having explanations for the southern stars is absurd. First of all, the globe Earth model does not work. It's not predictable. The only reason that it's predictable is because people have been studying astronomical events for thousands of years, and so they've found perfect patterns in things. And to say that that makes the globe Earth the only thing that's predictable is ridiculous. What makes everything predictable is the cycles. And frankly, if we lived in a heliocentric, chaotic, infinite universe theory, there would be no perfect repeating cycles for all of history. There would be no consistent North Polar star that never moves. And again, the, even handing them the central Polaris to the axis for argument's sake, that alignment would be completely out of whack within 50 years or 100 years, because that alignment would have moved 1 degree away from Polaris in terms of the arc angle of the wobble. So it doesn't have to be 360 degrees in space. All it has to do with the alignment of an object that's allegedly 2.5 quadrillion miles away, being perfectly aligned with our alleged axis and not moving. Even 10 years of precession of the equinoxes should throw that alignment off. And yet Polaris has been exactly where it is, central to the other stars for our entire lives and my grandfather's life. He'd have told me if there was a new North Star, and so would his father have. So I know that at least in the last 150 years, Polaris has been right where it's at. And so, for anyone to say that the Earth's axis is wobbling and we're going to have a new North Star in 20,000 years, it's ridiculous. They're not doing the math on it. So anyway,